Hey guys, this is Erica. Today, let's meet the group by node. The group by node is like your data's personal organizer. It allows you to create a summary of your data via various aggregation formulas. It supports grouping along one axis and aggregating the associated values. For instance, if you had a form of sales data, you might generate a summary of sales by team. Let's see how it works. Starting by choosing a grouping field. This is like the basis for your grouping. It decides how your data will be grouped together. One or more grouping fields can be added to a group by field. You can sort, rename, delete the grouping fields. Next up, we have the aggregation field. This creates summary values for each group of data. There are different aggregation formulas available depending on the type of data you are working with. You can calculate summaries, averages, minimum values, and more. For more detailed guidance, check out our help document for the group by node. This is Erica. Thank you for watching. See you next time.